All right, here we go. Quiet!
Quiet!
Roll 'em!
She's got to talk into the mic. I can't pick it up.
Cut!
What's the matter, Dexter?
It's Lena. Look, Lena, don't you remember I told you there's a microphone right there in the bush?
Yeah,
You have to talk into it.
I was talking, wasn't I, Miss Dinsmore?
Yes, my dear, but please remember round tones.
Now, Lena, look. Here's the mic. Right here in the bush.
Yeah.
Now you talk towards it. The sound goes through the cable to the box. A man records it on a big record in wax. But you have to talk into the mic first. In the bush. Now try it again. Anyway, it's comfortable. But into the bush. Okay, again. Quiet. Roll 'em.
Shouldn't have flirting with danger. They will surely find you out.
Cut! Lena, we're missing every other word. You've got to talk into the mic.
Well, I can't make love to a bush.
All right, all right.
What's that? The thunderstorm outside?
It's those pearls, Mr. Simpson.
I am the noblest lady of the court, second only to the queen. Yet I am the saddest of mortals in frame.